Hello students, today we discuss the topic of an subspace. Okay, so subspace. What is a subspace? Definition: let V be a vector space. Let V be a vector space over field F, a non-empty set W of V is called subspace of V if W is itself a vector space over F under the operation in W. Okay, so what is the definition? We have given if W is any vector space over the field F, then a non-empty set W of V, if we consider W is any non-empty set of V, is said to be an subspace of V if W is itself a vector space over F under the operation in, here is V, under the operation in V. Okay, so if we take any non-empty set W of the vector space V, and this W is nothing but itself a vector space under the binary operation defined on the V, then this W is nothing but the W is nothing but the subspace of the vector space W. Okay, now the next is theorem. Let V be a vector space over F, a non-empty subset W of V is a subspace of V if and only if for X and Y belongs to W and alpha belongs to field F. First, X minus Y belongs to W, and second, alpha into X belongs to W, or equivalently, if and only if third, X plus alpha Y belongs to W. So this is a theorem for showing if we have given the any subset of a vector space V, how we can prove this subset is nothing but the subspace of that vector space V. Okay, so what is the statement? Let V is a vector space over the field F, and let W be any non-empty set of the vector space V. Then this is a subspace, then W is a subspace of an V if and only if these two conditions are satisfied. Then when we have to show that any subset W of the vector space V is a subspace, what we have done, we show these two properties. Okay, for any XY belongs to W and alpha belongs to field F, if we take any two elements XY belongs to W, we have to show that their subtraction X minus Y belongs to that set itself, that is X minus Y belongs to W, and the second property is alpha X belongs to W for alpha belongs to field F. Whichever field we have given for that element, for any element of that field, and the X for the any element X belongs to that W, their multiplication alpha into X belongs to W, or equivalently if and only if X plus alpha Y belongs to W. Equivalently means what? When we have to show the any subset W is a subspace of an vector space V, either we show this two property or we show this a single property. This property and this two property are nothing but the equivalent property. Okay, for showing the vectors, for showing the any set is a subspace of the vector space V, either show this property or holds or show this single property is satisfied. By using this property, we can show that this non-empty set should be an subspace of that vector space V. Okay, now we go through the proof of that theorem. Okay, now we start the proof. This is an if and only if condition. Okay, we have given if and only if condition. So first of all, we consider W is a subspace of the vector space V. Then we have to show that this property are holds. Okay, now let W be a subspace of the vector space V, that is, since W is a subspace of the vector space, we know that the definition of an subspace. What is the definition of an subspace? If W is a subspace, then W is itself is a vector space over the field F. That is, W is nothing but the again a vector space. Since W is a subspace of an V vector space V, W itself is a vector space. And what is the properties of a vector space? Vector space is nothing but the abelian group. Okay, so W is an abelian group. W is an abelian group. Therefore, for X belongs to W and minus Y belongs to W, this is implies X minus Y belongs to W. Okay, we know that the properties of an abelian group, if we take two elements, then their addition is also belongs to that group. Okay, so for any X belongs to W and minus Y belongs to W, their addition X minus Y is also belongs to W. Also, for X belongs to W and alpha belongs to field F, if we consider the any X element belongs to W and alpha belongs to field F, this is implies, since W is an abelian group, okay, abelian group, and also W is a vector space, therefore multiplication of these two elements also belongs to W. Okay, so alpha into X is also belongs to W. Therefore, for any X belongs to W and alpha belongs to field F and W is a vector space. Okay, so multiplication of these two elements also belongs to W. Therefore, these two properties are holds. Okay, so if W is a subspace of V, these two properties are holds in W. Now, conversely, now the one property is remaining to show. We have to show that the third property, X plus alpha Y, is also belongs to W. Therefore, okay, so for X belongs to W, for any element, if we take X is any element belongs to W and Y is belongs to W and alpha belongs to field F. For any two elements, X and Y belongs to W, and for any element alpha belongs to field F. Since alpha belongs to field F and X belongs to W and W is a subspace, this is implies that alpha into X is also belongs to W. Okay, since alpha into X belongs to W, also alpha into Y is also belongs to W. Now, for X belongs to W and alpha and Y belongs to W, since W is a subspace. Okay, since W is a subspace, the addition of these two elements is also belongs to W. This is implies X plus alpha Y is also belongs to W. Therefore, this third property is also satisfied in the W. Therefore, if W is a subspace of an V, X minus Y belongs to W, alpha X belongs to W, and X plus alpha Y is belongs to W. Now, conversely, what we have to show? Conversely, if these two properties are satisfied, then we have to show that W is a subspace of the vector space V. So, conversely, we have given what is an definition for the subspace. First of all, we have to show that the subspace of this set is nothing but the non-empty set. Here itself in the statement we have given W is a non-empty set, therefore this property is satisfied. Okay, this is very important property. Okay, the set which we have to show the subspace, this is nothing but the non-empty set. This is not an empty set. Okay, this we have to show that non-empty set. Here we have already given W is a non-empty set. Okay, conversely, W is a non-empty subset of V and condition first and second holds. Okay, we consider W is a non-empty set of V and first and second, these two conditions are satisfied. Therefore, from first property we have x minus y belongs to W. From the first property, what we have given, x minus y belongs to W. For the any two elements, x and y belongs to W. Since here for any two elements, x minus y belongs to W, x and y belongs to W, x minus y belongs to W. That is, addition of these two elements belongs to W. For any x belongs to W and minus y belongs to W, the addition of these two elements belongs to W. Also, if we consider the any two three distinct element, associativity holds in that W. Okay, existence of identities also holds. All these properties are holds in that set. Therefore, W is a subgroup of a group V plus. Okay, so therefore, since this, by using this property, we have first W is a subgroup of n group V plus. We know that the properties of n subgroup, for any two elements, their subtraction is belongs to that group. Okay, so for any two elements, their subtraction and addition is also belongs to that set. Therefore, W is a subgroup of the group V plus, and that is W is a abelian group under addition. Therefore, W is an abelian group under addition. If we took any two elements, x and y belongs to W, their addition is commutative. Okay, therefore implies that W is an abelian group under addition, as W is a subgroup, and therefore this is an group. Okay, and if we take any two elements of that group, their addition is also commutative. Therefore, W is an abelian group under addition. Now, from second, alpha x belongs to W. By using the second property, what is the second property? Alpha into x belongs to W. This is implies W is a closed under scalar multiplication. This is implies, as from second property, for any alpha belongs to field F and x belongs to W, their multiplication is belongs to W. This is implies W is closed under the scalar multiplication. As V is a vector space, remaining properties as V is a vector space, remaining properties for the scalar multiplication holds for all elements in V. Since V is a vector space which itself is a group, therefore all the properties of scalar multiplication and addition are satisfied in the set V. Thus, in particular, properties are holds for all the elements in W. Since W is a subspace, or sorry, W is a subset of the vector space V, as all the properties are satisfied in V, and W is a subset of an V. Therefore, all properties are also satisfied in the W. Okay. Hence, W is itself is an vector space under addition and scalar multiplication in V, restricted to W. Therefore, W is a subspace of V. This implies W is a subspace of n V. Therefore, all the properties of n subspace are satisfied in W. Therefore, this implies that by using this two property, W is a subspace of n V. Now, we have to show that third implies first and third implies second. We have to show that these three properties are equivalent. Okay. What are the three properties? X minus y belongs to W, alpha x belongs to W, and x plus alpha y belongs to W. We have to show that these three properties are equivalent. Why we are show these three properties, this two property and this property is equivalent? Because if we have given example or showing any subset, W is a subspace of n V, either we show this two property or show this single property. Okay, so we show that these three property are nothing but the equivalent property. So substitute alpha is equal to minus 1 in third. Okay, if you put alpha is equal to minus 1 in the third, what is on third property? We have alpha, we have x plus alpha y belongs to W. Put alpha is equal to minus 1, this is implies x minus y belongs to W. This is on third implies first property. For by using this third property, we prove that first property x minus y belongs to W, and also substitute x is equal to in third, we get W. Therefore, by using third property, we show the second property. Okay, for any x is equal to 0, we have alpha into y belongs to 0. This is implies these three properties